It's September 11th right now, and this is the 20-year anniversary of 9/11, and some skilled person is flying birds in circles around the World Trade Center area. That is so beautiful. This is right over the area where the World Trade Center was, and somebody is flying birds in circles around the World Trade. That's so nice. The ceremony's going on right now as we speak, and some skilled pigeon master is flying birds over the area. While the ceremony's going on.